Hello everyone, my name is Vana SUPERNOVA and welcome to my channel where we discuss pretty much everything wellness, productivity, and we have a little bit of lifestyle sprinkled here and there. So if you're interested, please stay tuned and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss a thing. So today we're diving straight into these beautiful planners here. There are 6 of them and this is my 2019 lineup. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So this is my 2019 planner lineup and I'm gonna go through each one and how I'm gonna utilize them this year or how I plan to utilize them this year. This one's just trying to slip away from me. Where are you going? So yeah, so not all of these, they're all kind of considered planners per se. They're all by Mambi and but not all of them are going to be used as planners. I don't know how to explain it, but I'll explain it. So I'm gonna go through each one, explain how I plan on using them this year, and then we'll go from there. All right, so the first one we are actually starting with is the one on top, and let me get these out. So this is the first one we're going to be discussing. This right here is Miss Socialite. She's going to be my catch-all planner. So I'm going to have my work information here, my cleaning schedule, my errands, to-dos. I'm going to have my notes and just everything that I can't fit into the other ones are going to go in here. So here is Socialite. She is a sorority girl. Her favorite word is monogram. She's a genius at mixing patterns and adores all things bows and scallops. She has a cardigan in every color of the rainbow, and even her most mundane statements sound interesting. So the reason why I chose this one as my catch-all, first of all, because I love the color, and I'm sorry for this glare here. Let me try to, there we go. Is because I love the color scheme on this one. I also love how it's not, there's no restrictions on how, you know, you have to, you know, place things in certain boxes. It's kind of like a clean slate and you kind of figure out how you want to do it yourself. The pitfalls of this planner for me is ironically the color scheme. It's kind of restricted. I love the color scheme. I love everything about it. However, it's kind of like if I kind of wanted to do something different, I feel like it may be more challenging just because you have these florals here. It kind of keeps, I don't know, everything in a certain color scheme that you have to work with, or at least I think that's how it's going to be. So diving right into it, of course you get this little welcome card from Mambi. So I'll go ahead and remove this. I'll go ahead and put a decal here later on in a separate video. I love these polka dots here. Ooh, they're so pretty. The cover I chose is this blue stripe with like gold polka dots all over it and with a little floral ring. I think it's so freaking pretty. It says happy looks good on you. And it says, hey Socialite. And on the next page, you actually have this gorgeous, gorgeous 2-year at a glance. And I think it's just so stinking cute and so pretty. I adore it. You get this, this is just for 2019. You get pretty much like a monthly spread, but lined view. I don't know how to explain it, but it's very, I can't wait to actually kind of figure out what I'm going to utilize it for, because it looks like it'll be very useful for my catch-all, for my work schedule, keeping up with certain dates. And if I want to see it all at once, it's kind of like, here they are. So this is what the dashboard looks like pretty much for every month. Of course, this changes, but this remains the same. We sometimes call this our currently page. So on the currently page for Socialite, you have jotted down notes to self, dates to remember. Absolutely love it. And so I'm not doing a complete flip through of this one. I'll actually do that in a separate video. So just wanted to show you Miss Socialite. Okay, so next up we have Faith Warrior. Faith Warrior is a believer and a seeker, focuses on improving herself mentally and spiritually, loves doodling her favorite inspirational sentiments. She is fearful and wonderfully made. She sees joy in everything and her favorite word is happy. So I'm going to be using Faith Warrior as my spiritual faith gratitude planner. When you first open her up, she has this paint brush stroke here. Of course, we see the welcome from Mambi, which I will remove. Here's the same thing. It says, hello, Faith Warrior, and you put your little decal here. Super, super cute. In the front, you get your 2-year at a glance, of course, just like Miss Socialite does, but this one's a bit different because you have grace goals for the year and faith resolutions for the year. You have these cute spiritual quotes all throughout the planner. This is what the dashboard or currently page looks like. This page changes every month. This one remains the same. You have your prayer list, important notes, favorite passages, and then you have your reflections on this side. I'm not going to go into too much detail, just kind of wanted to give you a quick look at Miss Faith Warrior. So moving right along, we have Healthy Hero. So before we go into her, I will remove this. And what I love about Mambi is they give you these little cards in the front and you can see exactly how you should, you know, kind of like decorate it. And it's like good deco inspo if you need it. And that's Miss Healthy Hero, super cute. So the cover I chose for this one, and actually I didn't even tell you why I chose the other Faith Warrior plan before I get into this one. So the Faith Warrior planner, really quick, I chose the effortless paintbrush stroke because I thought it was super cute. It comes in other covers. I think it's like a heart or something like that. And it's like, I can't even remember the quote, but I'll insert the pictures of the other Faith Warrior covers. But for the Healthy Hero, the reason why I chose this cover is because I love the metallic on it. And I don't know if you could tell if this is metallic, but it is. Okay, there you can get some reflectiveness going on here. So I really liked that this paired with the foil, the foil paired with the gold rings. I thought it was really, really cute. So Miss Healthy Hero, she's the health nut, the girl who loves her body and loves taking care of it. Her favorite accessory is her hair tie, and she considers a gym bag her purse. Loves starting the day with avocado toast and a yoga session. So, okay, sorry if that was loud. So Miss Healthy Hero is going to be my health and wellness planner that I plan on using. And don't you hate like how this like leaves these little stains, or not stains, but like sticky pieces everywhere? Like, what is my life right now? What is this? What is happening? Okay, rolling with the punches here. So this is the interior of Healthy Hero. Once again, welcome page. We're removing that. Not gonna need that this year. This actual interior is the similar, well, not the same. It's similar to what the cover of the other Healthy Hero looks like. It says, hello, Healthy Hero. Put your decal here. Let's see what the 2-year at a glance looks like. So this is what you get here. It's super cute. It has this cute cursive writing, and it's like, I don't know, some kind of ombre effect. I don't know with the letters. It's so, so, so cute. Love it. This is our dashboard here. You have your goals, 1, 2, and 3. How I'm strengthening my mind, how I'm strengthening my body, what I'm loving about myself. So important. Oh my goodness. So what inspires me? You have a dot grid here. And then you have, of course, the little celebration dates for each month, you know, like government holidays, etc. So throughout the planner, you have like these women who are like very inspirational. They have quotes all over their body or around them. And I love everything about this planner. We'll get into this into a different video. Next up is Miss Maker. So she throws glitter in the face of a good DIY challenge. She's got a glue gun and she knows how to use it. Mama always said, kill 'em with craftiness. Her happy planner is chock full of craft dates and maker meetups. Can be found sneaking in the craft supplies after the family's in bed. Her famous last words, I can make that. So everything I'm reading is actually on the back of these planners. So like this page right here, they always give a description of what the special edition girls are. And these special edition girls, of course, are called the Happy Planner Girl. And they have this special emblem on them. They come out every year. Last year, they were a bit more rare than they are this year. This year, I mean, if you want one of these planners, you can pretty much get them anytime you want to. It's not as rare. The cover I chose is this one because, I don't know, it kind of reminds me of an afro and a flower at the same time. I just like how cool it looks. And it's reflective, once again, with the foil on the cover. Open the inside. Let me go ahead and remove this. You have these pink, it's like dark pink and light pink tribal markings on here. And then it says Miss Maker is a happy planner girl. This is your 2-year at a glance. This is a much more colorful planner, like just very bright and very bright colors, and you know, I don't know. You'll see everything I'm discussing or talking about in the upcoming videos. I feel like this one is a little bit more restricted than the other ones, and so that's why I didn't choose this one as my catch-all. Instead, this is going to be my social media planner slash entrepreneurial type planner, so business planner essentially. So anything separate from work goes in here. So this is what our dashboard looks like. We have our top priorities, which we have 5 spaces instead of 3 like in some of the other planners. And here we have a space to put our reasons to celebrate. We have a list right here for make do. Here's our holidays and special project ideas, which will be perfect for any kind of business needs I may have. Love every dashboard in this book. Think it's super cute. Can't wait to utilize them. This one right here, and I can't even remember, is this like the daily details or everyday essentials? Can't remember, but I'll add it at the bottom right here which one this is. There's no real special, you know, intro or whatever for this one. It's a seasonal planner from the Happy Planner. It doesn't come with the gold disc, but I loved every stinking thing about this planner. It is so cute to me. Everything from the cover to the interior, I love it, love it. So on the inside you get these lemons and random good idea. If you guys ever see the interior of a planner and you're like, oh my god, that's so pretty, I wish that was the cover, you can actually, you know, remove it and invert it or whatever. This would be the back cover and the interior of the back cover would be your front cover. So you would just switch them out and then boom, you got a new cover. Quick tip. So this one goes straight into hello. And didn't I tell y'all about this little sticky thing? You see how it's stuck to my desk? Like, what is my life right now? So look at this 2-year at a glance, y'all. I mean, look at this. This is so stinking cute. So real quick, let me tell you what I'm planning to utilize this for. This is going to be my memory keeper for this year. And I think as a seasonal planner, it makes the perfect memory keeper, especially since I didn't want the big Happy Planner. I think that it's too big and I don't have any room to put it anywhere as of now, so it's just gonna have to just vibe on the shelves where it's at, because I can't do it right now. Okay, I can't. This is what our dashboard looks like. For example, of the whole seasonal thing, you see how this is like foil and it says we are all like snowflakes, each different in our own beautiful way. Every single month is this freaking cute, like for real, I tell you no lie. I love how it's, you know, like almost cursive-y here. It's like, oh my gosh, everything is so stinking cute. Set some goals, and this dashboard is different because it doesn't like really have anything that you're supposed to fill out per se. It's not like a regular currently page. It's just very blank and it allows you to write your own, you know, currently in there, and I thought that would be perfect as a memory keeper. So, oh, I almost gave you a peek into this one. You're gonna have to wait till a separate video when I go into each planner separately. I don't want this one to be too long. So yeah, this is this planner, my memory keeper. And last but not least, this is my recipe book. It's called the Happy Planner Recipe Organizer. And this is, I'll give you a sneak peek of what the interior looks like. I'm not gonna go into too much details about this one because it kind of is what it sounds like. It's a recipe book. You pretty much write in all your favorite family recipes. It comes with different tabs that you can use to organize your recipes. Essentially every page in this thing is identical. It comes with these half pages here where you can write down your grocery list and your weekly meal plans, but I kind of have something like this already. Maybe if I run out, I'll go ahead and utilize that. Speaking of flipping interiors, I might use this one as the cover. I kind of like this one a little bit better. I think it's kind of cute. So it says a collection of favorites from the kitchen of, super cute. So here you have common kitchen substitutions, and the dashboards are pretty pretty basic. Some of them are very useful for the kitchen. Some of the dashboards, kind of like how this one is. I'll give you a quick peek at what it looks like on the inside. So essentially every page in the planner looks like this one, okay? Here's an example of what I was saying with the whole dashboard, you know, having useful information for the kitchen. But yeah, aside from that, everything in here is kind of like identical. You have your recipe, your ingredients, your preparation, and then on the side, you have how many people it serves, the ingredients, difficulty, prep time, cook time, temperature, and notes. Of course, you can decorate this just like any other planner and, you know, utilize it as such. You know, stick a couple pages into your catch-all. On the go, you can go ahead and write in new recipes. You don't have to carry this anywhere. That's why I was saying in the beginning, like, yeah, I have 6 planners, but not really, because do you really consider this a planner? Let me know in the comment section below. Do you consider items like this actually planners? Even though it is called like an organizer or a planner or whatever, I kind of don't. I get why they do, but yeah, I don't know. Essentially, these two will stay home, and if I do need to add anything, I'll just rip the page or the week that I need and take it with me in my catch-all, but these aren't going anywhere with me at all. These 4, on the other hand, are going to be a Frankenplan. I don't know if I'm going to Frankenplan or a Transformer plan. These Transformer planners have taken over the YT and social media in general. It's a beautiful idea, but I'm a Frankenplanner girl, so I don't know. It's kind of like, if it's not broke, why fix it? But we'll see. So my plan is to merge all of these and put them in, ta-da, my deluxe Happy Planner notebook or whatever. So I plan on utilizing a couple months from Socialite, from 2 months from all the remainder, not sure. And that's usually how I always do my planners each year. I take one from my catch-all, like 1/4 or half a year. I don't know which one I decide to do this year. And then the rest of them, just tiny, tiny little chunks. I also have my budget expansion pack, which I'll be utilizing. And I'll go into the accessories I'll be using in another video. If you enjoyed the video and like planner videos just like this one, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up so I know to make more like it. And consider subscribing so you won't miss a thing. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!